a flexible animal of the savanna that leaps with ease. This is an impala, an animal known to be eaten primarily by predators. The impala is distributed south of the Sahara in Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, and South Africa, and lives mainly in arid climates. They are 110 to 150 centimeters long with a shoulder height of 88 to 100 centimeters and weigh about 60 kilograms for males and 45 kilograms for females. Unlike gazelles, they have horns, which are 50 to 70 centimeters long and only found on males. They also lack side hooves, have black blotches down their hind legs, and are characterized by a reddish-brown coloration on their dorsal surface and a light ochre coloration on the lower part of their flanks. They are the longest jumping land animals and the second fastest. Predators hunt impalas by surprise because they are so fast that they can't catch them at speed unless they are cheetahs. When they are ambushed, they jump high to escape danger, which is a different way of escaping than other animals. It jumps high enough to get a good view of the area, identify an escape route, and launch itself in the air in the direction of the escape. These leaps momentarily remove them from the predator's view, confusing them and giving them time to escape. Impala leaps can reach heights of about 3 to 4 meters. Natural enemies include feline predators, jackals, baboons, and Nile crocodiles. Impalas are known for their speed, but they don't actually run for very long. The short bursts of high speed use up a lot of energy, so they need to rest for a while afterward. Impala's diet consists of grass, young shoots, and leaves, and they drink water once a day. However, their evolutionary ability to minimize water loss for arid climates allows them to live longer on less water. The gestation period is about 170 days, and they give birth to 1 cub per litter, but rarely 2. Females travel with their cubs to protect them from other animals and are extremely protective of them. Impala cubs become increasingly independent after about 4 to 6 months. However, females still protect and care for their young until they reach adulthood. Impalas are social animals and form small groups, called herds, which usually consist of 6 to 20 individuals during the dry season. Males and females form large groups, sometimes as large as 100 impalas in a herd if one impala in the herd senses danger. It will give a warning call and the other impalas will pay attention. Impalas take turns being on guard for sleep, with the alpha impala sleeping very little for the safety of the herd. The impala's horns are used in a hierarchical competition in impala society, in which the size and shape of the horns play an important role. The impala who wins this competition becomes the leader of the herd. For more animal documentaries, subscribe to Alpacaworld TV.
Mallards live over a large area, mainly in the northern hemisphere. They live in marshes, lakes, rivers, ponds, and swamps on or near water. They prefer swamps, rivers, lakes, and ponds where the water is clear and not very deep. In drier areas, they may migrate to mountain rivers and streams. In particular, mallards like their habitat to be relatively clean and quiet. Where fish and other small water creatures are abundant. They also build nests near water, such as in dirt or grassland, to lay their eggs. Mallards are a medium-sized duck species. Typically, males are 50 to 60 centimeters long. Wingspan of 80 to 100 centimeters. They weigh between 1 and 2 kilograms, with females being slightly smaller. The beak is long, flat, and black with a broad black half moon at the tip. The legs are long and nimble, with developed webbing to move quickly over water. The toes are covered. The male's plumage is green on the head and neck, with white and black blotches on the body. Females have pale brown and gray plumage. Mallards use a variety of sounds to communicate. Males produce a call accompanied by loud wing beats. Females respond with softer sounds. In recent years, mallards' habitats have been threatened by human intervention and environmental degradation. It is important to protect birds like mallards and preserve their habitat.